how to play Baseball 9 against your friends. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and play with your friends or against your friends on Baseball 9. Now first things first, this specific application actually do not offer a built-in multiplayer mode for you to be able to compete with your friends that of course you would like to be added, or to the friends that you have that haven't downloaded the application yet. But what people usually do is they actually share screenshots to compare teams overall players, that is rankings and game badges with your friends via messaging applications like maybe Messenger. Next is to go into league comparison. This is actually that you will see who can advance and get promoted to higher tier leagues the fastest. And customization flex is actually a show off your custom team uniforms, logos, and player name changes. And that's it. So again, unfortunately, you're not able to play multiplayer mode, or you cannot play against your friends on Baseball 9.